Children, now we are going to discuss another type of question in addition, and here it is 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. You can easily understand that these fractions are mixed fractions, isn't it? We don't know how to add the mixed fractions, isn't it? Okay, I will tell you. That is, to add the mixed fractions, first you have to convert the given mixed fractions to improper fractions. Children, do you know how to convert it to improper fraction? Look here. First take the fraction 2 by 3, and then to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, you multiply the denominator with this whole part, then add with the numerator. Okay, this will be our new numerator. That is 3 into 2. 3 is the denominator plus 2 is the whole part plus 2. 2 is the numerator. So this will be the next step. This will be the new numerator. And then you can write the same denominator here. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 by 3 is the improper fraction for this mixed fraction. Okay, this way you can convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. Got it? So look children, here is the way to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is denominator into whole number plus numerator by denominator. This is the way to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here 3 into 2 plus 2 the whole divided by 3. This is the first part. Then here it is 2 is the denominator. So 2 into whole part, that is 3. 2 into 3 plus 1 the whole divided by 2. Okay. So we can write it like this, and after that we can simplify. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3 plus, then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Okay children, now we got two unlike fractions, isn't it? We got two unlike fractions. So children, now we got two unlike fractions. Now we know how to add these fractions, isn't it? So these three are different denominators. So we have to take the LCM of 3 and 2, and then we have to make the denominator same, and after that you can add that fractions. So children, you can find out the LCM like this. You will get the LCM as 6. LCM as 6. Then we have to make 3 as 6 and 2 also as 6. So to make 3 to 6, we have to multiply 3 with 2. Then 3 2s are 6. Then you have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. Okay, which number you are multiplying with the denominator should use to multiply with the numerator. Then plus, then we have to multiply 3 with 2 to get 6, isn't it? So multiply 2 with 3 and use the same 3 to multiply with numerator. Now after simplifying this, you will get 8 2s are 16 by 3 2s are 6. Okay, and after that plus 21 by 6. Okay, which is equal to 37 by 6. That is, after making it like fractions, you can add the numerators together and write the same denominator. So 16 plus 21 is 37 by the same denominator 6. So 37 by 6 is the answer. And this is the way to answer a question. Answer the addition questions which are given in the basis of mixed fractions. Okay. Addition of mixed fractions you can perform like this. Clear children? Okay. Children, now the next type of question, and that is, it is based on subtraction. Okay, we already discussed the operation addition in fraction. Now we are discussing the subtraction in fraction. So here the first type of fractions are like fractions. So how to subtract two like fractions, that we will check. as in the as same as of in the addition. Here we will subtract the numerators together and we will write the same denominator. Okay, so 10 minus 5 we will do, and then we will divide it by 60. That is same denominator. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. So 5 by 16 is the answer for this question. Now come to the next one. Here we can understand these two fractions are not same, isn't it? These are unlike fractions. Why it is unlike fraction? Because it is are not having the same denominator. So these are unlike fractions. So now we have to convert the unlike fractions to like fractions before doing the addition and subtraction both. Okay. So here we to do the subtraction, first we have to change 11 and 15 to a like fraction. Okay. You have to change it to a same denominator. For that you take the LCM of 11 and 15. Okay children, so after taking the LCM we will get the answer 165. So here the LCM is 165. So you take the number which we have to multiply with 11 to make it 165. That is, we know we can multiply 11 with 15 to get the number 165. So you multiply 11 with 15 and use the same number 15 with 9 also. Multiply it with 9 also. Then minus, then 15 with 11. 15 with 11 will give you 165. So multiply it with 11 and then multiply 4 also with 11. Okay. Now here it is 9 into 15 is 135. 135 by 165 minus 44 by 165. Got it? So the answer 135 minus 44 is 91. So 91 by 165 is the final answer. Got it children? So this way you can subtract the unlike fractions. Children, now the next type of question in subtraction is subtraction of mixed fractions. So here is two mixed fractions and you have to subtract these two. So we know as same as of in the addition, we have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction before doing the subtraction. Okay. So first do that. We know denominator into whole number plus numerator, the whole divided by denominator is the conversion, isn't it? So how we can write 2 into 8 plus 1 by 2 minus, this part is over. Now you convert the second mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 8 into 3 plus 5 by 8. Okay, we will get the answer 8 to 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Okay, so here we got 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. Now we got two unlike fractions. Isn't it? Two unlike fractions we got. Now we know what to do. We have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, we have to take the LCM. LCM of these two denominators. That is LCM of 2 and 8. Okay, that is 1 2 is 2, 8, then, sorry, 4 2s are 8, then 4, 1, 1. Okay, so 4 2s are 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This is the LCM. LCM is 8. Okay, LCM we will get as 8. So we have to make, we should make the denominator 2 to 8. For that we can multiply 4 with 2, isn't it? Yeah. So 4 2s are, yeah, 4 2s are 8. So 17 into 4 by 2 into 4 minus 29 by 8. Here no need to change because it's already 8. Okay. Now we will get the answer 17 into 4 is equal to 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8. Okay. So now these two are like fractions, isn't it? 68 by 8 and 29 by 8. Now both are like fractions. So you can write the same denominator and subtract the numerators together. That is 68 minus 29 you can do, and after that you will get the answer 39. Got it? So this is the answer 39 by 8. Okay. So this is the way to subtract mixed fractions. Is it clear, children? Okay. So everyone study this also well.